Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: power, emergency stop, and blade guard. Do this now so you can operate safely. Once done, set the material feed angle and 0. 1 mm clearance to prevent binding, and 0 the machine position to align cuts. Make sure to load the correct tool path and confirm spindle RPM because improper speed causes burn or chatter. Keep motions deliberate. Don't rush the first pass. If the first cut tracks correctly, proceed to continuous operation. You now move into the core cutting sequence with controlled, incremental passes. Engage a steady feed and use 3-5 mm depth increments. This minimizes stress and keeps the blade stable. As you cut, monitor chip flow, coolant level, and vibrations every 30-60 seconds because early signs prevent failures. If you see chatter or a rough finish, reduce or increase spindle speed by about 10% and then retest. Small adjustments change cutting dynamics significantly. For completion, make a slow final pass at a reduced feed to produce a clean edge and accurate dimensions. Precision here matters most. Once finished, power down, retract tooling, and inspect the core immediately for cracks, delamination, or heat marks so you can address issues while fresh. If the machine binds at any point, stop and back out the blade. Do not force it. Then check alignment, check tool wear, and replace a dull cutter. This single troubleshooting step fixes most stoppages and prevents further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.